Technology is always evolving each day, and you don't want to miss out. In this video, we have packaged a list of 12 amazing gadgets that are worth buying. Make sure you watch this video till the end, so you won't miss any of these gadgets. Welcome back to Techie Spot. Before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next video. Now, let's move. Techie Spot, your #1 tech channel. Insta360 camera. Looking for a smart action camera to capture all your adventures? Then you really need to consider this one right here. This action camera allows you to shoot ultra high quality videos and pictures. Its modular design can be easily transformed. You can use the dual lens 360 module to shoot 5.7K resolution. You can also achieve a number of incredible effects like slow motion, time flip, and stop motion. You can switch to Ultra 4K resolution to achieve an amazing stabilization. This camera also enables AI-powered algorithm tracking, and HDR video shooting. The 1-inch lens which is made by Leica is suitable for low light capture. This is an action camera, so it's waterproof, and it also comes with an invisible selfie stick for your fun time. This is truly an amazing action camera you should buy right now. Ikea Pendant Lamp. Of course you need something cool to light up your room. This gadget is a must-have for you. This lamp is so fascinating by its amazing design. The lampshade is made up of 48 separate pieces, and they form a slightly dim moonlight when joined together. The lamp has a string underneath, and when you pull this string, it transforms to release more brighter light. It also leaves amazing patterns on your ceiling. You don't want to miss out on this one. This is definitely the best gadget for your room. Adjustable laptop table. Looking for a cool adjustable desk for your laptop? Then you might want to have this one right here. This table helps you to organize your workplace and turn it into a comfortable work area. Its height can be adjusted from 1.5 to 19 inches, and you can easily choose your preferred position. This table can fit laptops of different sizes. It can perfectly hold your laptop in position without slipping, thereby allowing you to tilt to different angles. Its special ventilation holes allow proper air circulation. This table is highly durable. It's made of special grade aluminum, and its weight is about 3 pounds. This is definitely the best laptop stand you need in your workplace. If you're enjoying this video so far, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Glowing moon wall clock. Of course you need an amazing clock to style up your room. This one right here is a perfect match for you. This clock is both fascinating and astonishing. Its surface is just like that of the moon. But the most amazing part is that it glows in the dark. Its hand movement is so quiet that it won't distract your attention. The clock is very compact and does not occupy much space. The time is also clearly visible from anywhere around the room. It's powered by a single battery, and the hooks included in the package allows easy mounting. This is the best clock you need to upgrade your room. Lighter fidget spinner. Now this amazing gadget stands out by its incredible design, and it will surely interest you. This spinner is so fascinating by its incredible design. Its LED lights make the spinning much more amazing, and also glow in the dark. But in addition to being a spinner, this gadget is also a cigarette lighter. But amazingly, it does not require any gas or fuel. It's an electric lighter that you only need to charge via USB port, and use it anytime you want. It's made of premium grade titanium alloy, and this gives it a premium look with a very good durability. This spinner can spin for up to 9 minutes of continuous rotation. It's compact and lightweight, and you can carry it anywhere in your pocket. This is definitely the best fidget spinner you need to have fun, and it's also the best lighter you need to buy right now. Radiant Glow Stick. Of course you need something so amazing to have fun with, this glow stick is definitely one of those. This rechargeable LED glow stick can be used on a number of occasions, but the best part is that there's no battery to replace, or any chemicals to change. It glows in different colors, green, blue, red, flashing red, or even disco mode, and all these color changes can be achieved with just a press of a button. It also has a lockout mode, which prevents accidental activation and battery drain. The stick is also waterproof. It has a bright torch for nighttime use. It can easily be attached and detached from your backpack. This is an amazing gadget for camping. If you have viewed up to this extent, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Origami lamp of steel. And here's another cool gadget for your room, and this time, it's a stylish lamp you must have. This lamp is so fascinating that it's worth your attention. It's made in straps with a subtle design that looks like a piece of paper, but in fact, it's made of ultra-thin stainless steel. It comes in 6 amazing color options to choose from. This lamp will give your room a pretty beautiful look. It's definitely a cool gadget for your room. Film to digital converter. Looking for a smart way to convert film to digital format? Then this gadget is a must-have for you. Although, it's very hard to keep photos that were recorded before the digital era, but this gadget will help you convert them to digital format, so you can keep it and retrieve whenever you want. This gadget supports 8 film formats including 35mm, 8mm, and negatives. You only need to choose one of the included adapters and then install the film. All the contents of the film will be converted into the digital format. The 4.3 inches touchscreen provides you with easy controls. You can set the photo format, and adjust the brightness and color settings. This gadget has HDMI output, and this allows you to view the photos on your TV screen. It also has an SD card slot, which enables you to save the photos and transfer them to your PC. This gadget makes the work easier, thereby saving you more time. This is definitely the best gadget you need to buy right now. Digital MovieMaker. Okay guys, this is our last gadget for today's video. Just like the previous gadget, this one right here is specifically for converting videos, although, its functions are quite similar to the previous one. It converts 8mm and Super 8 reels into MP4 movies, and 1080p resolution. It can handle different reel sizes up to 9 inches, and just like the previous gadget, its screen allows a number of controls like exposure, sharpness, frame center, and lots of other settings and operations. If you're looking to convert your old videos to latest format, this is definitely the best gadget you should buy right now. That's it all for this video guys, thanks for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification, so you won't miss our next amazing gadgets. Please share this video with your friends,